Good evening, everyone. Today's daily challenge: co-character words. Co-character words. Co, Koopa. Koopa means well. Well. Koopa. Koota. Koota means gathering. Okay. Koopa, Koota. For other videos, you can check my playlist. Subscribe my channel, please. Share it maximum. Thank you for watching.